Hey everybody, my name is Jauston, and today for your Car Tip Tuesday, we'll be going over our reconditioning process here at Beaver Toyota. Here at Beaver Toyota, we believe in safety and quality with every vehicle. That's why all of our pre-owned cars go through a full reconditioning process. The first step in the process is a 160-point inspection to recognize any potential issues the vehicle may have. After that, we do any necessary mechanical work to the vehicles, order parts, repair anything, regular service, etc. If we find any body damage, such as paintwork, dents, or scratches, we address that next. Here we have a full-service collision center for inventory and customer vehicles. Once all the necessary body damage is taken care of, it goes to one of our highly qualified detail technicians, who will give the car a full wash, wax, and interior service. Once the car is detailed, we send it to Beaver Benefits, which you can learn more about in the link in the description. Once all that is complete, the vehicle is ready for you to see. All of this combined with all our cars being certified makes us confident that you will feel safe and comfortable in any pre-owned vehicle you purchase from us. Once again, my name is Jauston here with Beaver Toyota, and this has been your Car Tip Tuesday.